Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 15, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong May 15, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, May 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 15, 2024 Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 38 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Wednesday, May 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of May 15, 2024 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.